What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent Holdings with the ticker symbol TCEHY. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like just recently Tencent released its earnings report. It looks like it was released yesterday before market open. Looks like they slightly missed on earnings, but revenue was pretty much met. So it looks like prices, since I did my analysis last week Thursday, went down, we gapped up, and then practically closed right where I did my analysis at the 42.56 level. So basically kind of flat for one entire week. Since we got rejected from the EMA, that doesn't look good. It looks like we can completely fill in the gap to the 41.81 level, and this measure move looks to be still in place. So prices could barely get above the EMA. We got rejected pretty strongly. So I would say that, the sellers are still trying to reach this measurement target right around this 39.17 level. So I'll mark that with a horizontal line. So it looks like we could be seeing some downside for Tencent and probably a bunch of other Chinese stocks, because also the dollar looks to be reversing and getting stronger. So it's going to be adding some downward pressure to foreign stocks. So it looks like this measure move is still in play. We'll see if we can get a bounce. There is support at this prior level, so we could potentially see a bounce there. There is still support at this 41.49 level, so we'll see if sellers can break through it first. But if they can, then this measurement target will become the hit. It will get hit. So we'll see if that occurs. But as right now, nothing really changed since last week in terms of price. There was a gap down, a gap up, and then another gap down. Hard rejection from the EMA. Looks like the sellers are still attempting to reach this measurement target, and they might be able to do it. So that's all I have for Tencent on the daily chart. Here is Tencent on the weekly chart. So I was comparing Tencent to this prior bull market, how it started, and it looks very similar to what we're getting right now, where we had a capitulation move, just like over here. Prices shot through the EMA like we got here, and practically prices went sideways before the bull market. So this sideways pattern lasted quite a long time. So we could probably see that occur right over here too. And we're just basically at the beginning stages. I would say we're probably actually halfway through this consolidation. So we're basically right. Looks like if we're gonna compare it, looks like we're right about here in terms of when the bull market could start. Again, this is just based on a previous pattern. It could repeat because it repeated already most of it, where the downtrend and uptrend looked to be practically similar, and the consolidation, because you can see there was a high right here, and then a lower high, and then a high right here, and then a lower high. So very similar, is playing out very similar to how it did in the past. So let's just go with that until it becomes invalidated. So basically, once prices got back down to the lows, which we are right now, and it went sideways pretty much from August to December. So several months, we could pretty much see a sideways market here. So there is support at this prior low, and we're just practically going sideways. So we'll see if this level will act as support, the high 30s, low 40s. If it does, there's a good chance that we just pretty much see some consolidation occur until the bull market. So that's how it looks like Tencent's playing out. Basically, since we got rejected from the EMA, it looks like we could see lower prices towards the measurement target at the 39.17 level. A good chance that will act as support for a rebound in price, and then we could probably see some sideways price action, just like a similar pattern in the past. Let's just say we don't do that and we continue to drop down lower. Then basically it looks like this downtrend right over here, it has not been complete. So after a downtrend channel gets a break, we expect 2 attempts at a new low. So sellers tried once. They're currently in the formation of the second attempt right now. So if the second attempt breaks the support at the low 40s, high 30s, then we could probably fall down all the way back down to the prior lows at the 24.25 level. So we'll see if this support level holds. So that's all I have for Tencent this week. Basically, we got a rejection from that EMA. Looks like the measurement target is still in play. We do have support coming up at the high 30s, low 40s that can send prices up. But again, if we break it, then we're probably going to go down to retest the prior low, and then also this pattern in the past will be invalidated to repeat over here. But again, if we get a bounce, then the pattern is still in play. So that's all I have for Tencent this week, Thursday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.